The Tesla Model 3 has three options. The rear-wheel drive option with the LFP battery, by far the best electric vehicle currently in the market in my opinion, and two dual motor all-wheel drive options with the NCM battery, the Model 3 long range and the Model 3 performance. Removing the cheeky inclusions, the Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive is available at $40,240. The Tesla Model 3 long range is priced at $47,240 and the Tesla Model 3 performance is available at $53,240. The very first thing to notice with the Tesla Model 3 is the offered included color. The Midnight Silver Metallic is now the free included option. For a long time, that included color was the Pearl White Multi-Coat. This is the only major change in the recent months in the Tesla Model 3, besides the price that has steadily been lowered over the past year. The Pearl White Multi-Coat and the Deep Blue Metallic are now available at an additional $1,000, the Solid Black at an additional $1,500 and the Red Multi-Coat at an additional $2,000. The Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive and the Tesla Model 3 long range have two options for wheels, the 18-inch Aero wheels and the 19-inch sports wheels. The Tesla Model 3 performance only has the one option of the 20-inch Uber turbine wheel. The size of the wheels are inversely related to range and directly related to performance. So smaller the wheels, the longer the range. The Model 3 has two interior options. The all-black interior is included and the black and white interior is for an additional $1,000. These are very much all the things you could consider when buying the base Tesla. The Tesla Model Y is the largest selling car in the world and is basically the Tesla Model 3 in hatchback form, sitting higher from the ground and with significantly more space. Very recently, Tesla removed the recently added Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive trim with the structured battery pack. This was the entry-level Model Y trim with the 4680 cells manufactured at the Texas Gigafactory and was a very alluring Model Y at the lowest price. It's now been removed and hence not available anymore. So now the Model Y is available in two trims, the Model Y long range at $50,490 and the Model Y performance at $54,490, both without any options. The color options on the Tesla Model Y are exactly the same as the Tesla Model 3, with the Midnight Silver Metallic the included color and the Pearl White Multi-Coat and the Deep Blue Metallic at an additional $1,000, the Solid Black at an additional $1,500 and the Red Multi-Coat at an additional $2,000. The Model Y has two options of wheels, the 19-inch Gemini wheels and the 20-inch induction wheels. The Tesla Model Y performance has the sole option of the 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. The Model Y comes with a $1,000 option of a tow hitch, enabling the towing of 3,500 pounds that the car is capable of. The Model Y 2 comes with the two interior options of the all-black included interior color and the black and white interior available at an additional $1,000. The Model Y long range can be configured with either a 5-seat option or a 7-seat one. The Model Y performance comes with only the single 5-seat option. The Tesla Model S is available in two trims, the dual motor all-wheel drive and the tri-motor all-wheel drive, the Model S Plaid. The dual motor all-wheel drive is priced at $74,990 and the tri-motor all-wheel drive is priced at $89,990. This is the only Tesla that's not eligible for any tax credit, being way beyond the limit applicable for sedans. All 5 colors, the same available on all Teslas, are included and free in the Tesla Model S. This has been the major recent change in addition to the significant drop in its price. Both the Tesla Model S variants offer the option of either the 19-inch Tempest wheels included or the 21-inch Arachnid wheels at an additional cost of $4,500 with the same inverse relation of range and size and the direct one of size and performance. The Tesla Model S offers three interior options: the included all black, the black and white at $2,000, and a third one, cream, at $2,000 as well. The Model S offers a round steering wheel that's free, or the yoke at an additional cost of $1,000. The Tesla Model X too is available in two trims, exactly like the Tesla Model S. The dual motor all-wheel drive and the tri-motor all-wheel drive, the Tesla Model X Plaid. The basic trim is now available at $79,990 and being an SUV is now eligible for the US federal tax credit with a cap of $80,000. Much like the Model S, all five colors, the same available on all Teslas, are included and free in the Tesla Model X. Both Model X trims have the option of either the 20-inch Cyberstream wheels included free or the 22-inch turbine wheels available for an additional $5,500. The inverse relation of range and size and the direct one of size and performance holds true as always. Both Model X trims come with a free tow package capable for 5,000 pounds. The Model X comes with the same interior options as the Model S. The all black included and the black and white and the cream option at an additional $2,000. For seating, the Model X offers some interesting options. The tri-motor Model X is only available with 6 seats. The dual motor offers an option to spec 5 seats which are included. The Model X can be configured to 6 seats at an additional $6,500 or 7 seats at an additional $3,500. The Tesla Model X comes with an included round steering or can be optioned for the yoke steering at an additional $1,000. These are the existing options and the 4 models Tesla offers. All these aspects are as on the time of making this video. As mentioned earlier, Tesla has been changing options and prices quite rapidly, and this is particularly relevant as we approach another quarter end, typically the time Tesla makes changes. You may also see some special limited availability options at specific PIN codes and delivery dates. $1,390 in destination fee needs to be added to every Tesla when buying. With the US federal tax credit, in addition to the specific vehicle being eligible, the said incentive also needs the taxpayer to be eligible. And even when eligible, the buyer needs to have the adequate tax liability to avail of the credit. The US federal tax credit is capped at a price of $55,000 for a sedan and $80,000 for trucks and SUVs. Besides some other conditions with the location of the assembly and that of the source of the battery material. These are important things to keep in mind and to be verified at the time of the decision. Those were all the possible options to consider when buying a new Tesla. On my channel, you can view multiple videos that lay out my impressions of each of them, and also some very interesting side-by-side comparisons in which I have placed them with other cars that are close in value and detail with each of them. I hope you like this video, particularly those of you who are in the market for a Tesla. This is a great time to track the Tesla website for the same. I will bring you more such content in the coming time. Until then, take good care.